Hello viewers, Keap, formerly known as Infusionsoft, announced that they are going to revoke all the legacy keys in Q1 2025. So lots of people were saying that how to update their iSDK applications and how to use the new service access key in their setup. So I was checking their documentations. As per the documentations, we have to make few changes in our iSDK.PHP setting. We have to change the base URL from app name infusionsoft.com/API/xmlrpc/v1 to API infusionsoft.com/crm/xmlrpc. Another is we have to pass the X-Keap-API-Key variable with the legacy key or the new service access key or the personal access token in the header. Currently they are allowing us to pass the legacy key, but I suggest to use the new service access token to pass in the header so that the application should work smoothly after they totally revoke the access to all legacy key API calls. So first of all, we have to create the legacy service access key. You have to log into your Keap account and click on this icon, API settings, and in the API settings you have to add the key. First of all, let me test the add conn.php. Let me show the file. I'm using the connection method and the add with duplicate check API method in this file, and hard coding the name and the email ID. And in the configuration file, I'm using the API key from the external file, which is the legacy key. Let's try this one first. So when I tried, it gave me the error that the legacy key authentication is no longer allowed. So let's generate the new key here. Access key test. Copy the key, paste it in the API key file. You can also paste in the configuration file here, but I'm using the external file. You can close it. After closing, you won't be able to copy it again. And let's try it again, this method, and it's still giving the same error. So next thing is we have to update the endpoint URL. This is the new URL. We have to go to iSDK.PHP. We have to change all the instances of the xmlrpc client URL. We have to copy it. Let's comment this out and paste it here. Paste the new endpoint here. I think that's it. There are, I think, 4 instances we have to 4 or the 5 instances we have to update the URL. We will save it. Let's try it again. Currently it's giving the legacy key authentication error. Let's do it again, and it's giving the unauthorization error. Now we are making the API call to the new URL, so it's expecting the correct key, but we are passing the correct key but not the third part of the update, the X-Keap-API-Key in the header. So to how to fix this, we have to go to XMLRPC 3.0 library file, xmlrpc.inc. In the we can find curl opt underscore http, this variable. Above that we will add a new key variable as message params 0 me string and headers we will pass, sorry, oops, I think I didn't copy this variable. Make sure X-Keap-API-Key and a colon, then this variable, close it and save it. Now let's test it again, and it's successfully connected to the Keap application with the add with duplicate check 874 contact ID. It was created in this. Let's verify this contact. Here it is, and the contact ID 874. It's updated. Let's update it. Let's change it to Muhammad only. Save the file. Let's refresh this page, and it will give the same name. Let's see the name is updated or not. Okay, the name is updated. Okay, let's summarize this. We have to update 3 files. One is the API key in the configuration. Next is the iSDK.PHP with the URLs, and xmlrpc library with adding 2 lines to get the API key and pass in the headers. And by updating this, our application will be ready to go. Please let me know anything if you have any questions in the comments, and I will be happy to answer.